morning, I'm Teresa from the Florida Barbales vlog. I hope you join us today. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that bell, you'll know whenever we post. This is Eli, and we're getting prepared for a hurricane. This is crazy. I'm walking into Aldi, gonna get some water, just in case the storm is bad. We don't want to be unprepared. Aldi has limited 4 waters. So that's it, that's the limit. I have to go through again. I have to go to a different cashier because they only let you buy 4, and 4 is not enough for our family. They're like, we don't want people to hoard, but I was like, I have 7 people in my house. And they told me no. So here I go. Let's see if they'll let me check out again. I need water. Yeah, unloading all the water. There's some in the back seats of the car, guys, too.
Back seats?
Yep. There should be 8 gallons and 8 cases. Just put it up against that back wall, Dave. Thank you. Because if we don't have power, we can't use our well. We can't have water.
One time me and David made like...
This is the water storage. What do you think about that, Jake?
We should... This is a lot. I think it's going to be like over the hurricane.
You think this is enough?
Yeah, I think we should start putting our storm shutters up.
Probably on Sunday.
Okay.
Makes the house really dark. So I brought all the water and dropped it off home. I have the van now and all the goods. They're all here with me. And we are going to Costco to get snacks because if the hurricane's not bad, we're gonna stay here at our house because it's safe. We have hurricane shutters and stuff, and it's a concrete block home. But we need food.
We're trying to get into Costco.
We're trying to get into Costco, and it's crazy.
No, there was a poking spot.
Let's go right through the people with all the water bottles. Oh, look, he's pulling out. He's pulling out. Got a parking spot. This is exciting.
No, it's like a mile away from the store.
Looks nice man, let us have it. I'll have to drag you guys across the parking lot.
Not do anything.
Yeah, it's crazy. He's got the Costco card though. No loot. Nobody will even let us. Water anywhere?
I don't think so. You can try back in the back corner. That's where it's going to be.
Okay. No water. That's not good. Big bars.
Yeah, well, it was at the gummy bear. We got it. These are gummy bears.
Come out. Fruit pouches. The kids like
You'd rather be in your house and be slightly uncomfortable or travel.
This is where everybody's waiting for water. But we already have
There's a
one.
line.
Oh, there's a long line. Wow. This is all people. The crazy water line. Wow. We're just going to get LaCroix. Water. We're getting LaCroix. We're not worried about water, right, guys?
Yep. No.
Have hurricane, we need LaCroix.
They're light.
They're not bad?
They're light.
3 cases should do it. And then we can go past all the people on the hurricane line. I am so super duper glad that I already got water at Aldi and that I don't have to wait in this line. It's like an hour and a half.
Everybody needs to go down to this.
Get the water?
It's too much.
LaCroix! We escort ourselves to LaCroix. There's so many crazy water people.
We're trying to manage it as best we can. And
Doing a good job. There's police in the back. Because the people are trying to steal water because they want more than 4 cases.
Yeah.
It's a little crazy. If you ever
Did you see the big case thing?
Yeah. And people try to mob it. And the line starts at the front of the store and goes all the way around. You can see the people down each aisle and comes to there.
We should just go to a different store.
Well, I guess everywhere else is already sold out, so this is it. Yeah, you can get it by the machine, by the bottle. Some people. You can say it. We made it through Costco. We made it through. It was crazy, but we didn't have to wait in the water line because I got the water somewhere else, and now we're going out to the car. So it's all good.
We have finally found our car. So Target isn't as bad. We got a nice close parking spot and doesn't look like there's too many people here. So we might have lucked out. Shopping carts. And Target. So these are the flashlights they have left.
It's $11. This is ridiculous. Maybe we should go to Dollar Tree. So there were no flashlights at Target. There was one like $14 flashlight. So we are going to stop at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to run in and just see if they have any flashlights left and grab them. If not, we'll have to make do with what we have. We do have a big lantern and I got a citronella candle. So if we're outside, we don't have mosquitoes. This is a good place to go get hurricane supplies because no one comes to the dollar store when there's a hurricane. They ought to go to Costco and stuff. And honestly, the kids each want a flashlight, and if it's $1, it's great. So here we go. Dollar Tree for hurricane supplies, take one. The cheapest flashlight, which was teeny tiny, and I need to get 5 of them essentially. $1, all here, not sold out. 1,000 lumens, 3 AAA batteries, and they have the batteries. Great, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of them. I got a whole bunch of flashlights. This is a great deal. Super happy, this is great. And I'm gonna get, I see these little camping like lights. Nice too. Little lanterns. These are flickering. No, those are more like Halloween, but it could be nice. LED lantern. 50 minutes later, for $20, I got 7 flashlights, 2 lanterns, 2 low light lights, and all the batteries. You cannot beat that. So, hurricane supplies, Dollar Tree, that was a great stop. And the kids will be happy because they'll have their own flashlight. And nobody wants a kid who is the one without the flashlight. So Dave is going in to get braces.
Yeah.
Big smile, let's see the teeth. Cheese. Braces are coming, last smile. And they're on, yay! Yeah. I'm exchanging this LP tank. Super heavy. But at least then we can use the Blackstone. And they're sold out. So just walked this into Home Depot, this whole tank, and they don't have any. So yeah, there we go. So I just found a place that has LP gas. This is the 4th stop we've made. So I've got to grab the tank and change it out at this gas station. I had to wait forever. We got gas, the last tanks, the last 2 she had. And everywhere else in Naples is sold out. She's got people waiting in line in there and they all got turned down. We were really blessed. So if we are gonna stay, it's good.
So David got something special from the orthodontist. What is it? So it has, this is the main part, giant toothbrush. Oh, I know. It destroys styrofoam. This is the toothbrush. Well, it doesn't have its head on right now. Here's one of its heads. This is up close. It's actually a water pick. Mouthwash. There's toothpaste. Yeah, this toothpaste. This is a travel toothbrush. This is some wax to go on my braces when it hurts.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this video and our hurricane preparations that we are going to be doing for the next couple days and coming along with us as we did that. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell, you'll know when we post. I hope you're wholly happy and healthy. God bless.